As the sun rises on another cold autumn morning in the Manawatu, it lights up a familiar scene. Right around the country, cows are lining up for milking, but here in Feilding, on this particular farm, you have to look behind the scenes to spot the crucial difference. Stephen Barr owns and runs this 420 hectare property with his wife Mary, assisted by 6 full-time staff. They run 800 odd dairy cattle, supplying New Zealand's second largest milk processor, Open Country Dairy. That's not the unusual part. Every aspect of the Barr's property is monitored and measured by state-of-the-art systems put in place by Kiwi tech company AgHub. From milk yield to effluent levels, rainfall to soil moisture, every conceivable measurement useful for farm life is fed directly and instantly onto the Barr's AgHub profile.
The sort of thing that you used to be able to do just with 100 acres or driving down the race and seeing where it is. On bigger farms you just need systems to be able to know all those things without necessarily being everywhere all the time. I usually check everything at home before I leave in the morning, and anywhere you've got an internet connection you can be.
Stephen and his team have been among the first in the country to trial the new system, which its creators say will soon become as essential as fences and quad bikes in the day-to-day running of a farm. The user-friendly nature of the technology means not only is all the information Stephen needs available when he wants it, it's an easy-to-read form too. That's important when you're on the move all day and you don't have a degree in computing.
Monitoring that data, is that a difficult process?
It's all in graphical forms or on maps. So the likes of the effluent information, it's because there's a GPS unit on the irrigator, it's constantly plotting where it is on a farm map. So you can look day by day or week by week where the irrigator's actually been. And over the season it actually accumulates the data so you can actually get a visual picture of how much nutrients gone on to various paddocks as well, so that you can see where things are right.
The AgHub system is constantly expanding into new areas of the farming business. On the Barr's farm, Stephen can access information about almost any part of the property and compare it to any time in the past year. It's an evolving program which is improving all the time.
We're adding things to it. We keep coming up with ideas of things we can put on, and that's all useful. I mean, you've got a basis of a system there that you can add all sorts of things to. There's a wireless internet system over the whole farm, so any devices that we can think of that can measure anything and put out a digital signal, you can potentially feed it into the system. We're looking at putting in water monitoring at the moment so that we can monitor how much water our stock are drinking. And it will be able to set up some alerts so that if we have leaks in the system or ballcocks off, it will be able to let us know that there's something wrong.
Working in an area of the country that has had its fair share of weather bombs and dry spells at inconvenient times, Feilding farmers are often at the mercy of the elements. Because of this, monitoring and predicting weather patterns becomes even more important. Stephen says AgHub's weather monitoring system makes it easy to react to and plan for whatever weather systems hit the farm throughout the year.
I guess it helps you with what sort of pasture is on what and how the irrigators are doing?
Yeah, well, some of them affects your day-to-day running, and some of it sort of affects where you're going over the next month. Like at the moment, I know we're getting a bit wet and a lot wetter than we were this time last year, so that affects how you think about when we're going to dry cows off, what rotations we need to be on, what fertiliser needs to go on, all those things. In the summertime, the big issues are how dry we're getting and whether we need to irrigate and how much water to put on. Whereas this time of year it's more about soil temperature and how wet we're getting and where our pasture covers are going through the winter. That's the bigger issue.
Irrigation and effluent spreading systems are constantly presenting new challenges for farmers with large herds, large properties, and even larger overheads. The AgHub system has that covered too. Irrigators and effluent sprayers are monitored by GPS, meaning farmers can track the exact movements of their equipment in real time and to the metre.
That's one of the key things with all of this. It's just sitting there quietly accumulating information. We don't have to do anything. And then we've got it, you can decide what to do. You're not out there every day with some sort of gadget trying to measure something. It's just doing it.
Just doing it by itself.
And then that's good quality information as far as I can see.
Soil temperature and moisture levels are measured with sensors buried at different levels in the ground at key points around the farm. This gives Stephen access to soil conditions at any time he needs them and alerts him or his farm manager by text when it starts to dry out. He can set specific trigger points which alert the Ag Hub system to recommend irrigation if moisture levels drop too low. In the monitoring areas around the farm, Stephen has sensors buried at 2 depths to give him a better picture of how the soil is coping on the tough fielding bedrock.
In the summertime, if you get small amounts of rain, you can have enough water in the top 2 inches to keep things growing, even though it hasn't penetrated right down to the full depth. And so it's just another piece of the puzzle to have that information together. Generally, we use the 6-inch information for planning irrigation, but occasionally the other stuff's interesting as well.
It's an innovation which Ag Hub believes will save farmers like the Bars tens of thousands of dollars a year.
We usually save between $5,000 and $10,000 a year in power costs by having the soil moisture tracked more accurately. So it's quite major quite quickly.
And pasture growth is also a breeze, thanks to Ag Hub technology that fits onto the front of a quad bike. No more clumsy rising plate meters.
That's the sensor unit, so it sends a beam out on a slight angle in front of the bike and measures the reflectance that comes back, and it basically measures the pasture height as you go over it, and then that data is converted into pasture cover based on an equation that's built into the machine.
With all of these gadgets, you'd think Stephen would be content, but he believes the Ag Hub system has only tapped into a fraction of its potential. He, along with the creators and developers of the system, are confident that tools to become better, more efficient farmers will soon be available to everyone.
So Steve, with the Ag Hub system, does it make it easier to farm or does it give you more jobs to do?
It changes the jobs that you're doing, but yeah, it does make keeping track of things a lot easier. And it's all the information's contained in one place. We used to have folders of paper and stuff everywhere, whereas really it's nice to have it all there electronically. We're not great bookkeepers, and it's nice to have it just all sitting there and click of a button.
A button that with some good old-fashioned word of mouth could soon be a staple of Kiwi farming life.